missed in this 2009 Dodge Avenger. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, air conditioning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.